Va Voom is an amazing product for volume and fullness, but it does have many tricks up its sleeve. It's one of those do more with less products. So I love it because one bottle does so many things. Va Voom has panthenol in it and it has B5 in it for strength. Va Voom is super versatile. So one of the things that we wanted to do is show you guys multifaceted ways of doing hair with one product. Make sure that you unlock it. It's great for traveling because it does have that locking mechanism, and the mist is a really super fine mist. So go ahead and spray it on your hair, about 5 to 6 sprays for a beachy look. If you wanted that beachy look, you're spraying it on, and right after you wash your hair, shampoo, conditioner, you're gonna put it on 5 to 10 sprays if you have a lot of hair, and then you're gonna scrunch. And you could literally walk out the door with this. I love it because it keeps the hair nice and contained, doesn't add more frizz. Your hair stays controlled, which is really important when you want a beachy product. This does have a curling enhancer. So if you even have a little bit of wave in your hair, this will actually give you even more wave, which I totally love. So for this look, we are speeding up the process of our beachy look. So I wanted to give you guys a really great way of doing kind of a more controlled, effortless wave, beachy wave. 3 or 4 clips in the hair. I'm just putting them and kind of pulling the hair up as I'm putting the clips in the hair. And then after that, I let it kind of air dry, or you can use a diffuser if you'd like, just like I'm doing right now. And then take out the clips and you've got yourself a really natural but controlled wave. The best thing about this is that it's alcohol-free and it's salt-free. A lot of the taming, a lot of the texturizing beachy sprays out there have products in them that eventually dry your hair out. This doesn't. It's made with algae extract and kiwi, which makes your hair super shiny, strong, and vital after rinsing it out. So it's kind of like a conditioning treatment in one.